ka-vibes, ito yung ating dish for tonight. Yung ating vegetable ayaw machoy with canned fish. Ay, masarap po ito. Pa-fry lang natin yan. At saka ito, Chinese celery with dried squid. And we have spare ribs. Ayan, etong spare ribs na ito matagal lutuin po yan. Kaya ngayon lulutuin na natin yan. Tsaka yung ating meatballs. Ayan. Yan yung ating dish for tonight. Ayan. Yummy, yummy dishes. Ayan. Ay, ito. Pag ito pinagsama talaga yan. Super yummy yan. Ayan. Match silang dalawa. Okay guys, thank you for watching.